welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, as you can see from the ingredients, we're going to do a nice beef roast. Now, this recipe was given to me by my brother. Him and his wife have cooked it a few times, and they really enjoy it, so they passed it along to me. So, what we got here, we're going to start out. This is a nice sized beef blade roast. It does have the bone in it, everything. Next we got some au jus sauce. This is just a flavor pack from the store here. Next one, we got a ranch seasoning mix packet. We have some potatoes, some carrots, butter, and 5 pepperoni. Don't know how to pronounce that, but these are peppers, and I was assured that these are not hot peppers, they're a sweet pepper, so we're going to throw those in there too, just like the recipe says to. So let's get to putting this together. I've got my crock pot sitting back here. This is going to be an all-day cooked meal while I'm at work, so I bring this thing here forward. We got this, put this roast down in here. And I am using my crock pot liners. If you guys don't use them, you ought to try them. They're great. I love them. Makes cleanup so nice and easy. So there's that. I'm going to throw this butter down in here. And this is a 1/4 cup of butter, half a stick. I'm going to throw my peppers down in here. Get them suckers in there. So it says 4 or 5, you know, I put 5 in. So next I'm going to top her off with some of this ranch seasoning. And this is a 1 ounce pack of ranch seasoning. If I can get the thing open. There's that. And we're going to mix in with that this au jus seasoning. Flavored gravy mix. Natural flavors. And this is a 6 ounce pack of this. I'm just going to throw it all over there. And then I'm going to add my carrots. And don't add any liquid, from what I've been told on this, which I never add liquid on my roast anyways, because they produce enough from just cooking. And I've got 5 whole potatoes. I leave my potatoes whole when I'm cooking them like this, because it's going to cook all day. I'm going to be gone 10, 11 hours or so while this thing's cooking. And I've found that if I don't leave my potatoes whole, they get real super soft and mushy and fall apart. I like my potatoes whole, so, or at least chunky for my roast. So that's it. That's all the ingredients. We're going to take this sucker, we're going to throw the lid on it, we're going to click it on low, and for you guys it'll be just you know. Alright y'all, welcome back here. It's been just a couple seconds for you guys. It's been all day for this roast. Let's take this lid off here and see what we got. Ooh. Look at that. We got some taters in there. Look delicious. Oh yeah, everything's done. Smells delicious. Got me a bowl over here. I'm going to take these taters and stuff out and see if we can't get this roast up out of here. I don't think we'll get her out in one chunk, but I said she's been cooking all day. Now, one thing about this recipe here is, like I said, My brother and his wife gave it to me to try. They enjoy it. What they do is the first night they have the roast and taters and carrots and stuff, and then for the next night they save all the liquid from it, thicken it up with a little bit of cornstarch, and make like a beef stew out of it. Well, I like stews and stuff like that, but I usually don't have good luck at thickening stuff. So I'm just going to have the roast for a few days here. Sorry if my arm's getting in the way of blocking that, but trying to get all these peppers and everything out of here. Alright, there's all that. Look at that. That bone. Oh, she sticked up. That bone just flipped right up out of there. That is awesome. Another bone over here. Get a little bit of shake. Whoop. If I can hang on to it. One thing I miss about having a dog. I don't have anybody to give the bones to, so, oh well. Alright, y'all, I'm going to shut the camera off. I'm going to grab another plate here. We're going to get that out of there and onto a plate. Bring you right back. Alright, got a plate here. Try to get some big chunks of this up out of here. And that is just fall apart tender. No, I have not snuck a taste of it yet. Sugar's being a little bit difficult here. I can tell you that it smells delicious. Alright, I think we got most all of it out of there. Oh, got a nice big old chunk right there. There we go. Alright, I think that'll do it for that. Let me get rid of this and get it out of here. We'll get another plate, plate it up, and I'll give her a try. Bring her right back. Alright, y'all. Got this all plated up here. I had a little bit of butter to that potato there. But if you can see that the juices have actually soaked into that potato right there so nice that it's actually colored the inside of that potato, so that should be really delicious. I'm going to take a little bite here. This beef. Oh yeah. 100% right. That is one of the best tasting roasts I've had in a long, long time. So, let me try a little bit of carrot here. I'm not a big fan of cooked carrots, but we're going to give her a try anyways. Oh yeah. Them carrots actually, that makes them carrots have a really good flavor to them. A little bit of potato here. Yeah. You can taste that tater in there pretty good, or taste that juice in that tater pretty decent too. So, oh, well, piece just fell off here. I'm gonna try one of these peppers, see how hot it actually is. That's not bad. It's got a little bit of spice to it, but it's not real bad. Not real bad. So I'm gonna have another piece of this roast. I'm eating with my fingers. Definitely 100%. That is delicious. So y'all really need to try this one. I know a lot of you say that you try some of the other ones and send me pictures and stuff of it. This is one y'all really do need to try. So we're going to end it here. I'm going to go eat this. Y'all, thanks for stopping by and watching what I've been cooking here in the kitchen. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button over there. Hit the bell, get all the notifications for everything I cook here in the kitchen. Everything I work on out in the shop and here and there and every place else. Do some tractor pulling hopefully this summer. Appreciate it. You know, y'all stopping by and checking this all out. And as always, if you all weren't watching them, I wouldn't be making them. Bye.